see you inside. It's only a dream. Affection's so much the laughter, the sorrow, pictures in time, fading to memories. How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you go? I'll try to run from your side, but each place I find only reminds me of you.
100 dyan?
When I turn out all the lights in the night, it only reminds me of you.
Sino susunod? Susunod siya? Siya ba?
My freedom, that's what I thought.
Enjoy lang.
I was so free to breathe. My heart
Hanggang ganyan lang eh, no?
you cried rivers of tears.
Ano ba yan?
I was too blind to see everything we've been through before. Now it means so much more than that.
Yun dyan.
Nangyari.
How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. From your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you.
Kuya, hard na ba? Nag-a-apply na ba eh? Kuya, hard na ba? Butchiki.
Nag-enjoy.
Madaling araw na. Baka okay ka. Ang medyo talaga yan, kuya, sa una nagkakayaan. Nagtagal na gawin mo ng money. Parinig kita ng boses ko minsan, ha?
Sinabi mo kita post.
Yung ages at the Carol. Ayun. Yaba, upo. Uy! Sige! Parang na pagka-nurse.
Parang si Kina na yun.
Kuya, mag-a-apply siya dito.
Sa sideline daw sa gabi.
Especially for you. I wanna let you know what I was going through. All the time we were apart, I thought of you.
Hindi sila sabay. Hindi sila sabay.
We're dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and sorrow. I got sick, it's all because of you and I'm not together.
Dumalawa pa.
I wanna show you my heart.
May photographer pang kasama.
And all I have is
Ikaw na kuya.
especially for you.
Yan.
I wanna let you know what I was going through. All the time we're apart, I thought of you. You were in my heart.
Sesaylo si Jinggoy.
I'll never change. No more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and sorrow. I gotta say, it's all because of you. And now we're back together. Together. I wanna show you my heart is so true. And all the love I have is especially for you.
Especially for you yung kanta eh.
Wanna lend your love to me. I was ready
Sumusorry.
to
Sino Charlotte?
you to change my
Charlotte. Charlotte.
You showed me
Pag
the
medyo okay lang ako.
way.
Oo, yung Charlotte.
More dreaming about tomorrow.
Halika, pag-rap tayo dyan
Yes,
sa
and sorrow, I gotta say, it's all because of you. And now we're back together. Together. I wanna show
Bus na memory ko.
my heart is so
Kuha ko ba
true.
lahat na?
And all the love I have is especially for you.
Art na ba? Nakuha na?
Kahusay.
Hindi ko kapisado eh.